everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Christmas Eve, or tonight is Christmas Eve. And I slept really late. 6 AM ako natulog, guys, because I filmed like 4 videos. I haven't edited yet, but right now I'm gonna head to the house to get my sister, and then we'll be buying stuff. Food for tonight. We're gonna eat. So, yun. I decided not to wear any makeup kasi parang ano yung face ko. Na-stress kasi sobrang makeup ako yesterday hanggang, yeah, the past 2 days kasi nga may tinatapos ako mga videos. Anyway, do you like this setup? Bongga, diba? Love it. Wow, bongga ang Uber. Wala siyang surge. Wala siyang surge. Walang surge kayo yung Uber, so I'm getting Uber and it's on its way. Borrowed my sister's car right now to drive us to the church kasi hindi sila sasama sa church and even si Papa tulog na. So, yun. Oh, it feels so good to be driving again. Pero this is a different car, so dala ko yung lisensya ko at I still know how to drive. Ayan. Mas advanced to eh. Mas bago siya. Ha! Funny. Malacanang Palace, guys. Ang ganda. Pero hindi masyadong festive yung ano lang ngayon, no? Oo. Ganda. Parang nasa White House.
May bulsa pala yan.
Post ka pa. Uy, may nalaglag na ano? Ano yan?
Mangga.
Kalamansi. St. Jude, guys. Ganda. Ganda sa, oh. Hi ka, hi. Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. Merry Christmas! So today is Christmas Day and I'm with Mark. He's letting me drive the Pajero. So we're gonna go to La Fiesta for Christmas Day dinner with Mark's family. Hi baby!
Hi.
Daming tao. Quirino Grandstand to eh, di ba?
Ay, ang bagal ang linyang to. Guys, it's chaos here. Oh my gosh, bilangga pa tayo bilang mga tao. Sobrang daming tao. As in. At hindi kami makapasok sa parking. Look at that! Ang daming tao! Boom, daming tao. Guys, look at that. Tingnan niyo yung stairs doon. Puro tao yan. Yes.
Sige, magbaba ka nga na ano?
So everyone's eating na and kami ni Mark, papasok pa lang kami dito sa may Ferris wheel, grabe. Ang daming tao, hindi kami makaano. Dapat nung kami sa labas magpa-park since they took up the 2 lanes, lahat naging parking. Pero sabi ng isang kuya, ito-tow daw lahat yun. As if ito-tow, no? No, B, no? Baby! Filming with my ring light, guys. So, ayan. And this is what it looks like if you look through the ring light. How awesome, right? Dinner with Mark's family is over. We had so much fun. Although, hindi ako masyadong naka-vlog. Kasi, wala. Late kami dumating kasi nga out of traffic. Pero, yun, I had fun driving again. And then, yun, I'm just gonna finish up like 2 more videos. And then we're gonna go edit. And then we're gonna go clean up the apartment. So I haven't shown this to you guys yet, but I received this package from Glamour Box a few weeks back, and this is called the BYS Matte Maven Box, and I wanted to show you what it contains. This one made me so excited. It's the BYS Contour and Highlighting Kit. It is amazing. Ayan, different shades show. Super duper bongga. Wait lang, how do you... So we have the... Okay, we have bronzer, contour, highlighter. So that's how awesome it is. I'm gonna do a video on this one kasi hindi ko pa siya na-try. And then we also have here the BYS Liquid Brow Pen in the shade of brown. Haven't tried this yet. We have the BYS Eyeliner Gel. We also have, of course, the BYS Matte Eyeshadow Quad. We have the BYS Matte Lipstick. Ayan, in the shade medyo nude. And then lastly, we have the BYS Nail Enamel in red. So this is really awesome. Thank you so much, Glamourbox, for sending this over. I'm gonna do a video on this para siyang matte look. Yan, super duper bongga. Check out Glamourbox. I'll have their information or their website down in the information box.